Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to crop the image or how to crop the picture in your Canva doc on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to crop the image in your Canva doc on your computer, just going to show in this video. So for that, first I just going to insert an image. So I just insert an image here. You can just use this. I'm just going to crop this image. I just need this proportion to be cropped, the first image. So just click on the image first and just need to click on the crop option on the top, and you can also have a right click to edit design. Click on the crop option on the top. Now here on the side you can use a aspect ratio like 1:9 like that. You can also have the option to rotate, and also a smart crop option also here, a free form. I just go with the free form. So you can just use the free form where you can just make any ratio you just needed. So I just going to crop this exactly, and then you just click on the done option. It automatically crop the image, and you can just now resize it, and you can just use this. This is how you just crop the image on your Canva doc on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.